Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax using Sprintax. First, you need to determine your tax residency status, whether you are a resident or non-resident alien. Next, gather all your necessary documents, such as your passport, visa, and any income statements like Form W-2 or Form 1042-S. Having these ready will streamline your entire filing process significantly. Once your documents are ready, create an account on the Sprintax platform. Carefully input all your personal information and answer every question truthfully. This ensures Sprintax accurately determines your tax status and generates the correct federal and state tax forms for you. The system is designed to guide you through each step, making the process straightforward and efficient. After Sprintax generates your forms, it is crucial to review them meticulously for any errors or omissions. Double-check all figures and personal details. Once satisfied, print and sign your federal and state tax returns. Remember to mail these signed documents to the Internal Revenue Service and your respective state tax authority by the deadline. Always remember to file your tax return by the April 15th deadline to avoid any late penalties. It is also wise to keep copies of all your submitted documents, including forms and receipts, for at least 3 years. If your tax situation is particularly complex or unique, do not hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.